Once upon a time, there was a little child who felt scared when darkness came. The child worried about bad dreams and scary thoughts. But then, the child learned a special secret from the Quran. In Surah Al-Falaq, Allah teaches us something beautiful. It says, "Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of Daybreak from the evil of that which He has created." This means we can ask Allah for protection. We can ask Him to keep us safe from all the scary things. When the child said these words, something magical happened. A warm, golden light appeared all around. It was the light of Allah's protection and care. The darkness began to fade away. The scary thoughts disappeared like shadows running from the sun. The child learned that Allah is always there, watching over us. He protects us from harm. He keeps us safe through the night and brings us the beautiful daybreak. Now, whenever the child feels scared, they remember these words. They remember that Allah's protection is stronger than any fear. And so the child sleeps peacefully, knowing that Allah is always near, always caring, always protecting. This is the message of Surah Al-Falaq, the daybreak. A reminder that we are never alone, and Allah's love surrounds us always. Reference Surah Al-Falaq, chapter 113, verse 15.